What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We're back with another video, another patient here. He's actually a cement mason and he's actually my dad too. But we take care of him on a regular basis. He has actually been in for a little while now, but he gets mid-back, upper back here and into the shoulders and neck from doing a lot of concrete type work. So we're going to show you what we do for him and how we keep him going. So alright, go ahead and go face down and we're going to put heat on your back. Perfect. So what's bothering you today? Anything or not really?
Upper neck a little bit.
Upper neck?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn your head to the right. Okay, and then to the left. Okay, there it is. Yep. Okay. Low backspin, okay?
Yep.
Let your arms hang to the ground. There you go. There we go. Good. Lift your chin up a little bit. Good. Chin up and relax down on your chin. Good. Chin up. Woo!
Wow.
Alright, good.
I knew that side was sore.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and flip on your back and we'll do your neck.
Oh.
Hey guys, hit that like button down there. Hit that subscribe button as well so you can stay tuned and see all the new videos that we're putting out on our YouTube channel.
Set upper neck a little bit.
Yeah, up top a little bit.
Somebody, right. Got some swelling on here, right here.
Wow. That one was bad.
Yeah, that's the one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Feels better anyway.
Alright, we're going to roll you up on your side. Alright, so we're going to do side posture now for that low back. You haven't had any of the numbness or anything on your side, have you?
Nope.
Okay, flip this way towards me. Just like that. There. I think it already went one.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alright, back.
Go right there, roll me over.
Perfect. That's it.
Okay.
How's that?
Better. A lot better. Feels better.
Good deal.
Yeah. Good?
We're all good.
Oh. Wow, a lot looser. I was getting a little sore on this hip right here
Yeah.
even a little bit. On the right side from sitting like this all the time.
Yeah, in the truck all the time.
Oh.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.